Welcome back to Unboxit. I have something I don't think anyone has ever reviewed before. If they have, I've not seen them do it. But I hope y'all rather enjoy what I got for you today. This is what we got for you. I don't know if you can see that. It's a Fidget Cube. Look at the box. Work, class, home. It's got a click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. And there we go. Box. Let's see what's in the box. Fidget Cube. And I told you pretty much what everything's for. So I got some stuff right here. And so it tells you what everything does. Comes with a lanyard. You don't like to put on your wrist or put on your keys. Whatever. And it's a mini Fidget Cube. Not a normal size one, it's something smaller than the other one. Now what a Fidget Cube is for, like you have right here, your clicks. Clicks. That's for, if you like to click pin. Or, you have roll. It's for if you like to roll pencils in your hand. Or, a pen. Here, spin. It's for the keys. You like to spin your key ring in your hand or something. Glide, joystick. It's also a button. I like to use it as a button. I like to push buttons. Flip. And the part that isn't on it, there's a little divot in there. You just rub it and you just breathe. I like this part. My favorite parts are these: the smooth part, the rolling part, and the clicks, and the flip thing. So this is, if you fidget, this is the best thing to use instead of all this stuff. Of course, this is a pen, pencil, a worry stone, and a key ring all in one. It's a mini Fidget Cube, and it fits perfectly in your pocket. Can't really tell it's in there. So I like it, and I will be doing a review on a Fidget Cube, and later fidget spinner. I would have a review on this and this. I'll tell you which ones people like better. Like if the clicking gets annoying to some people, or if the sound gets annoying. And then we'll get a bigger Fidget Cube and review it and compare them to these two. See which one's better. This was bought on Wish. Actually, it was bought on Geek, which is the same thing as Wish. So I'll put a link in the description to Wish. They come in multiple colors. This one is yellow, white and yellow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Unboxit2K16. And be sure to like, comment, and let me know what I should unbox next. And subscribe.